Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market doesn't open up for about an hour, but there's some pre-market activity out there that I'm watching that could prompt some sort of pre-market trade. We'll see what happens, but want to get things at least set up just in case an opportunity does arise, so I will keep you updated. Market opens up here in about 6 minutes, but it's looking like PR, QR could be coming into play here. I have an order at 14.45, got up as high as 14.25. So I'll keep a close eye on it, and if it looks like I'm going to get filled, I'll get the video rolling. Market opens up here pretty much any second now. Have several orders out there, so I bring that up just to get it documented in case I miss the entry points on any of them. So we'll see how things play out of the opening gates. I am going to watch CRON. And, like I said, if one of these other ones get filled, at least you know that they're sitting out there. But I can only do so much real estate here on my screen. So let's see. Have an order at 139 here on RH. Seems far away, but this one is a very quick mover. So maybe a little bit closer than what it appears. So I'll let the video roll here, and let's see if we can capture a break of 140. Have an order out on TLRY and TSRO, but as it stands right now, looking like RH may be given the best. But whoa, I take that back. Okay, TSRO gave me the best chance. So what did I even get in there? 38.45. So there we are. Oh no, that was only for 100 shares. Oh yes, trade without emotion, but I'm very emotional. What a mistake on my part. So instead of $60, that should have been like, oh my goodness. Not gonna lie, that gets me angry. Wow. Yes, I know my slogan. I'm well aware. I'm well aware of the irony right now. Trade without emotion, and I just showed some emotion, but I will not hide that. Pure frustration. Look at that. If I would have gotten my 500 shares at 38.45 and gotten out right there, that was a 60-cent move that I could have had on 500 shares. That is frustrating. All right, let's move on. I'll be honest right now, I really want to revenge trade this thing out of pure anger and just get in right now, but that's not how the strategy works. But yeah, the voices are definitely there. So if there's anything you can learn, you're totally normal to have voices as a trader that are trying to cause you to do stupid things. But the key is being able to identify the voices and then know how to deal with them. So I guess in some senses, the way I'm dealing with the voices is I'm just hopping on here on the video diary, as I kind of like to call it, and talking about it. But yeah, I really want to just revenge trade this thing right now, but I am willing to trade it again, but not until 39.45 if it can get up there. Put in an order out here on GME at 15.65. Still has a ways to go, but we'll keep an eye on that one. TSRO still really struggling to break through that $38 mark, but GME, one of the newest orders out there now, that one is pulled back. Put in an order out here on CGC down at 52.50, pulling back quite a bit right now. Still has relatively a decent sized distance to go before potentially getting filled, but got that documented out there. TSRO got above 38, but still kind of struggling around. Got up as high as 38.80. So the bobbers are in the water, and I'm just searching and waiting. All right, going for a break at 39. Let's see if we can get a good, solid, quick movement up to where I'm sitting. The breakout is underway. Again, 39.45 is my initial entry point. All right, I will pause, but I'm going to keep a close eye on it. Move the order up to 39.75. Remember, I am looking at other things than what you can see on the screen, so just feel more comfortable with it up there. Although in hindsight, I would have been perfectly fine. It hit a high of 39.48. I was at 39.45. So in hindsight, good old hindsight, I should have coulda, woulda. All right, have an order at 52.27 here on CGC, so technically a little bit below. It's right there now. Got as low as 52.44. So we'll see what happens. All right, have an order at 50.85 here. On CGC, the pullback continues. This one very, very jumpy. Going for the break of 51 here. Nice, got those. Got the quick $50. Let's go to 50.25. Oh, nope, that's not right. Let's go to 50.01. So 50.01. And I will keep you updated. All right, looking for, did I get those? Nice. Okay, so I got 50 share or 500 shares, and I'm out there for a quick, I can't talk right now. Let me get this next order in. So 48.75 is where I will pick up the sequence again. Just double checking. All right, so now looking for 48.75. So let's see if we can get a break of down below 48 or not. Okay, never mind, it paused. So let's go to 48.37, double checking. So now 48.37. All right, it's back above 49, but I did get another $50, so that was solid. Just because this one can be so jumpy, I have an order at 39.47, but if I turn my head for just a second, this one could very well explode upwards like you saw in that first trade. So documented 39.47, we'll see. I'll do my best to capture it on video, but if not, at least you know it exists out there. All right, there's the break of 39. Still got to get up to 39.47. And now it's just slowed down to a crawl and back below 39. Have an order at 81.65, 500 shares to go short here on DLTR. Key break is going to be up above 81.50. So I'll keep a close eye on it and see if it's able to push through that level. Have an order at 93.50 here, just 100 shares. It looks like it was going to fill me, but it did not. So never mind. Have order at 94.50. Again, just 100 shares to get my feet wet. I would like more than 100 shares, but like I said, it'll allow me to get involved in this pullback, assuming the pullback continues. I will keep you updated. All right, going for a break of 95. Again, I'm at 94.50. Very quick mover. So I realize I'm still 50 cents away, but it could potentially move down there in a hurry. All right, I'm going to pause. Okay, moving down again. I'm actually going to go change it to 94 now. Okay, I got those. We'll look to get more. Pick up another 100 shares at 92. So let's see what it wants to do here. All right, so it decided to give me the $50. I am going to leave my order down there at 92, which is that area right there on the chart. So if I can get down there, I will get the video rolling again. But again, another quick $50. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. And I really don't want to sound ungrateful. I don't want to sound like a little brat. But yeah, it's $235. And, you know, I left $240. I couldn't help myself. I did the quick calculation. So that order from the first trade Yeah, totally left $240 on the table. So all I can say right now to myself is I should have 235 plus 240, but it is what it is. So if there's anything you take away from this video, just remember, please, please, please double check your entries before you put them in, because as you witnessed, they can be pretty costly. But then again, like I said, I don't want to be ungrateful. I'm still very happy for $235 as I work from home, online. So I don't want to come across like I'm just totally a spoiled brat. But yeah, in the spirit of being honesty, I am still kind of bummed out about that. So again, learn from others' mistakes. Make sure to always double check before you enter in those order entries. Before I go, a final few things. If you enjoy these videos and want me to keep making them, the easiest way to communicate that to me is just to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to trade alongside me and other traders, I do offer a live trading chat room. If you go to claytrader.com, that is called the Inner Circle, and it's only $99 per year. If you do the math, you'll see it breaks down to literally $1.90 per week. So I don't want to hear any excuses. Anybody can afford $1.90 per week, and if you can't, then you have much bigger personal financial issues going on rather than trading the markets. And then finally, if you want to learn how to trade with charts, I do offer online video training courses, again, at claytrader.com. But if nothing else, and you don't want to spend a dime, totally fine. But if you do want me to keep making these, like I said, you can communicate that to me by clicking that like button. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you back next week. And remember, double check your order entries. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.